Unbelievable, the beef is absolutely delicious. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, it's a little bit warming from that pepper. Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef, I'm Rick. Today we're going to do a fantastic, easy stir-fried dish. Now I was in the supermarket last night and I got some beef and some fresh noodles. So what we're going to do, we're going to make stir-fried beef in udon noodles with a black pepper sauce. So simple, so quick, 15 minutes finished and on the table. Let's do this. Right, what we need to do with our onions, guys, we want to actually just cut the end of the white part of the green onion into about 1/2 centimeter pieces. Now that can go in our stir fry when we start cooking, and then we want to cut the green part into about a good 1.5 inches. So that's our green onions to go in towards the end of our stir fry. Now I've already minced up some garlic and some ginger. We need to be slicing up some veggies, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a bit of a multicolored pepper, and I'm going to use a bit of a multicolored pepper stir fry. So I'm going to have green, red, and I'll put in a little bit of yellow. So let's get a little bit of yellow chopped off there. Now what we're going to do with this, guys, we're just going to slice this. So nice and steady, just slice away until you've got the nice long slices. Now of course when you're cooking this, guys, you can put in what veg you want. You know, if you want to put broccoli in or cauliflower or anything, you're in control of your stir fry. You put in what you need. So all we're going to do is just put all that in there, ready to chuck in our wok when we get cooking. I'm going to use a little bit of this long chili. You know, this chili doesn't carry any heat as such, but it does carry the chili flavor, and it looks good in the dish if we cut it long. So we got a few bits there, look, and we're going to put that in as well. So I'm going to put that in with our peppers. Right, with our onion, guys, what we're going to do is slice it straight down from the top. And then we get these lovely sliced onions. And all we need to do is add the onions to our veg. Okay guys, all we're going to do is we're going to slice this little bit of meat. Now this is the meat from the supermarket, okay? It's already been sliced, but it's been sliced a bit too thick. So what we need to do is just slice a little bit. You need to slice just a little bit to about 1/2 centimeter thick. So that's our beef slice, guys. All we need to do now is put that in a bowl. So get our beef in a bowl. Okay, to our beef, guys, we want to go in with a pinch of salt. A good pinch of salt, because this is going to be our seasoning in here. About 1/3 of a teaspoon of baking soda, a heaped teaspoon of corn flour, a tablespoon of sourcing wine, and we want to go in with about a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. And then what we're going to do, guys, we're just going to give that a little mix in. Just mix it in, and that's our marinade for our beef. Now don't forget, by using the baking soda, that is going to tenderize our beef. So that's our beef for marinade, and we just need to put that to one side. What we need to do is add a good tablespoon of freshly ground black pepper. We want a tablespoon of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Alright guys, and we want a little bit, about half a tablespoon of fish sauce. And we want about 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. So if we just give that a little mix in there, this is going to be our marinade for our noodles. Now it is a pepper sauce, so it is quite strong. Now if you want to make it a little bit less strong, use a little bit less pepper. We need to dump in our fresh noodles. Now some noodles you need to pre-cook and some you don't. And I'm not going to pre-cook these even though they're quite firm. You know, I don't think they need blanching because they're going to be stir fried. Give those a good mix in, toss them all in that marinade. So coat your noodles up the best you can with your marinade. And just leave them on one side for about 5 minutes. Right guys, quick stir fry. I'm using a non-stick wok, so we're not going to cook it on a really high heat, but we're going to get it hot. Let's crack on and do this. Usual procedure, flame on, and in with some oil. Right guys, in with our garlic. Get our garlic in there. And we're also going to go in with our julienne ginger. Get that in there. Now this is not going to be a very long stir fry. So as soon as that goes in there, we add our beef. So let's get our beef in. And we need to start cooking this beef. We want to sear it all over if we can. Try and get a little bit of colour on that beef. Now it doesn't matter if it browns up and crisps over. Now what we don't want to do guys, we don't want to burn anything, so I'm just going to add the tiniest splash of water just to keep it all loose in the pan. Now this is a fairly dry stir fry guys, so in with our end of the green onions and in with our veg. So get our veg in there and we want to give that a good minute stir fry. Just stir that in there with our beef. Start to slightly soften it up. Oh, fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. And then we want to go in with our noodles guys. And now we're going to have to give this a good tossing over. So toss it over in the pan. Now guys, this is a dry stir fry. But you know, a little bit of fluid in there. So I've got a very, very watery cornstarch slurry. And it is very, very watery. It's half a tablespoon of cornstarch to 2 tablespoons of water. But that's just going to give us a nice thick glaze all over our noodles and our veg. And then what we're going to do is go in with our spring onion ends. Stir it through. And that's it guys. That is our beef udon noodle stir fry done. Turn off the heat and we just need to serve it up. Oh man, Oh guys, unbelievable. The beef is absolutely delicious. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, it's a little bit warming from that pepper. But that is absolutely fantastic, especially on a cold day. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, and that'd be amazing. Till next time, keep safe.